Zealmax Ortho offers a wide range of plates in the maxillofacial system which are different in color code for easy identification and valuable in restoring the form and function in maxillofacial trauma patients. Designed with reduced profile and predetermined screw locations, they offer optimal restoration for patients with maxillofacial trauma. Material: titanium. At Zealmax Innovations Private Limited, we prioritize quality standards to provide exceptional products. Our manufacturing process meticulously considers every minor technical detail. We utilize state-of-the-art technology machines for improved production efficiency and prompt deliveries. For more detailed information, please visit our website at www.orthoimplantsindia.com. You can also reach out to us directly via email or WhatsApp. Details are mentioned in the caption below. We are eager to assist you with any inquiries you may have. Also, a quick reminder for all of you to register for our exclusive webinar hosted by Zealmax Ortho on 17th of August, 7:30 p.m. IST. Link to join the webinar will be shared soon. Also, we have a very few seats left, so register now.